in the realm of construction and building maintenance. This video is my first on YouTube. I've created this channel to showcase the construction stages. And in this particular video, you'll witness the construction process of a high-energy building. Don't forget to subscribe to catch the upcoming videos. Your support means a lot. In the realm of construction and building maintenance, the significance of robust waterproofing solutions cannot be overstated. One of the most reliable and versatile methods in this domain is the application of PVC membrane insulation. As a fundamental yet highly effective approach, PVC membrane insulation stands out as a cornerstone in protecting structures against water ingress and ensuring longevity. After the completion of foundation insulation, a felt layer is laid during the iron assembly to protect the insulation. The laid felt safeguards the foundation insulation from potential damage during iron mounting. Following the placement of the felt, a protective concrete layer, known as grow concrete, is poured over it.
Zie je wel?